Hey there, if you are looking to expand your power system knowledge, joining my channel membership will basically give you exclusive access to specialized tutorial specifically addressing your specific problem. You will basically get in-depth guidance in how to use Disk Silent Power Factory. In that, you will receive quick tip on how to run load flow analysis, short circuit analysis, harmonics, and many more Disk Silent Power Factory's power system features. And all these will be demonstrated in a step-by-step short tutorial. And not only that, you will also be able to receive pieces of project like a Power Factory project file and all other library content. So please go ahead and click the join button and subscribe to the high voltage membership package and start your journey in mastering power system analysis. See you on the other side. Thank you.